What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Today I'm doing a proper intro, not driving, not doing anything. In today's vlog we're going to be washing my car and then also going to visit a mural, I believe. And then today is going to be mixed with tomorrow, so we'll have both days, you know, into one vlog. As well as, if you guys could bear with me, I'm trying to get back into vlogging, so my keys are jangling. Got the pressure washer out. My car is already sort of wet. Right here in the bottle we got Chemical Guy soap, honeydew melon, I believe. This thing foams up pretty nice. I'm gonna do a little montage of me wetting up the car with it. Also, guys, make sure to go follow my Instagram, SimpSI. Huge shout out to my friend David, though. He just started a YouTube channel. His video will be in the description below if you guys want to go check it out. This is how the car is looking at the moment. Very dirty. I don't know if the camera can really pick it up, but it's heavy dirt. But yeah, guys, let's get into this wash.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hotter. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.
Alright, guys. I didn't update you guys while we were driving, or that I was even on my way over here. But this is what we came to see right here. Sheesh. Somebody got talent. Why'd you park all the way over there? You should have parked like right in the middle.
I like that one. I won't park it like this.
Hey. You got all sorts of stuff here. You got the Dragon Ball. Then you got Street Fighter stuff over here. That's pretty legit. Cuz, is that the Transformers? That's what's up. Alright, we took photos of this one. Now we're gonna take photos on that one, and then what else after that? That's it, right? I think that's really all we drove out here for. So I just washed my car and ceramic coated it. Hybrid ceramic coat, rich guy stuff. I'm just joking, broke boy stuff. I bought that at AutoZone. Hey, we drove all the way out here for some photos. Hey, this spot is looking nice though.
And they're cool.
Yeah.
I want to take one where it says Portland.
Oh, okay. I wonder who drew all these. If I figure out who drew all this, I'll leave their link in the description. Give them a little shout out for my 10 views. Hey, also follow me on Instagram, simp_si. Broke. Yo, what's up, vlog? Another day, another dollar. I've always wanted to say. Today is the next day after yesterday's clips, or the clips before, something like that. All right, I'll put the dates somewhere here. Anyways, today we're gonna be installing a test pipe on my Civic, so I can be louder. SimpSI on Instagram, just so you know. Hey, my homie over here, a mechanic. He's building the fastest B-series engine out here. Just wait on it. Yo, homie. Hey, you know he's a real mechanic if he's using pro strength degreaser and shop towels. It's a must. So right now I'm just waiting. I don't know if he's coming downstairs. Hey, follow me on Snapchat, jrojas_13. Rich, must be nice. Rich guy Subaru. Hey, yo, homie. Hey, car meet. Put the license plate on. Yo, homie. The 10 mil boys. Rich. Comparabi Jesus.
I think
Hey.
you had the fourth. Yeah, but it's cracked.
Get a rig.
Fix it.
Hey, little walk around.
He's weird about it. Not weird, but.
Yo, homie. Verga.
Imagine getting sucked up while you're working on this car.
Imagine stuck porn right here. What are you doing, step bro? I'm working on my car. Oh, Whoa, why's your dick out? I don't fucking know.
Why you're a pro at it already? You already know the whole step by step.
Hey, you don't talk to your homie no more?
No,
How do you know what I'm talking about?
because I know you're gonna ask me about Miguel.
Yeah, how come you don't talk to him no more?
Cause
What happened? Send us the 411. He said you're
there, I got it off.
Cap.
How much you want to give me?
He said your SI is slow, that's why it means a lot. Maybe wins.
Basically, what he told me.
He said your SI was slow?
Nah, I was just joking.
What?
No,
Why not?
I just told you why.
Hey, you didn't know you did.
She decided to be loyal to her boyfriend.
Is that really why?
Yeah.
She decided.
Hey, broke boy stuff. You know the vibes.
So you guys ready?
Yeah.
1999.
This shit about to be like, oh. Wait a minute, is that my portable charger?
Yes, it is.
That shit about to be like, wow, wow, wow. Doesn't sound any different. Hey, killing the earth.